In this video we will talk about how to use the maintenance dashboard. You can check individually the videos about repairs, issues, schedules and profiles, but now we will talk about the main dashboard. On the left here you can see the list with all your units. The trailers are shown in violet and the trucks in blue. You can select here a unit or several units to filter them. Then you can see for every unit you can see the number of schedules, of maintenance schedules registered for it. You can see the number of maintenance schedules overdue. So here we have an Excel alignment overdue by 19 days and there are no repair orders open for this issue, with this schedule. You can see also the due soon schedules, which means that they will be soon, the due date will be soon, or the due mileage will be soon. So you can see that this schedule is due in 6 days and there are also no repair orders for it. You can see the issues for this unit. If you click on the unit number, you will get to the maintenance page of this unit. You can see here also the list of maintenance schedules registered for this unit. You can see all repair orders that contain this unit, and you can see the number of issues. So it was shown one issue. Here is our issue, and when it was reported, we can delete it from here if you want. Okay, here you can see the number of repair orders. In brackets is the total number of the repair orders with this unit in it, and in outside the bracket is the number of open repair orders at the moment. So you can see here that this unit has one open repair order. If you go to repair, then you can see here is the open repair order, or you can click on its number and go to repairs and you can see that it has one open repair orders. Here you can see the mileage for those units that are connected to ELD, or for those units for which you added the mileage, and it shows on what date the mileage has been added or has been fetched in case the vehicle is connected to ELD. If you click on update miles, the system will try to check the database if there is a more recent record for a certain unit and will refresh its mileage here. You can filter the units or the data by the following filters. You can select to see only the trucks, for example, or you can select only the units that have overdue maintenance schedules, or the units that have only due soon schedules. You can also select the categories. For example, if you want to see the units that have Excel's schedules, so you can see in this case you will see here only the number of schedules that are included in the Excel's category. Okay, so you see that this unit has one maintenance schedule in Excel's category, and this unit also one schedule, and out of this one is overdue, so the schedule is overdue. You can reset the filters, all filters at once, and that's all.